morning. 12 days of Vlogmas. Today is day 6. Which is crazy because that means we're already halfway through. But it is 3:30 in the morning and it is about time to go to the airport to fly home. And thankfully the flight's not that long. I'm excited to fly home. I'm so sleep deprived, as you guys have literally seen from the last few days. I went to bed at like 12:31, so I really only got like 2 hours of sleep, and it was not even like that good of sleep because it was like that travel sleep, you know what I mean? Where you like can't sleep before you travel because you're so excited or whatever, stressed out. Since the airport is probably gonna be super dead since it's so early, I'll probably be able to vlog in there. I also have like no shame at this point. The way that I view social media now is like, post whatever you want to post. Who cares? And if they do care, that's on them. Okay, I am losing my mind, so I'm going to get all my stuff downstairs so I can ride to the airport. I'm home. What time is it? It's like 10. And as soon as my parents picked me up from the airport, we went to the French bakery and got pastries for breakfast and lunch. Remember how at 3:30 in the morning I was like, I'll vlog at the airport and talk to you guys? Because I thought it was gonna be super quiet and like dead. That was the busiest I've ever seen PHX. I saw everyone and their grandma. It was so crowded and I was like, okay, I'm not gonna vlog in here. It was so crowded. But I still stand my advice earlier. If you're a coffee drinker or you're starting out as a coffee drinker but you don't necessarily like the taste of like coffee, this is a iced white chocolate mocha with honey and lavender. And you can get it at any store. I got this at the French bakery. I've gotten it at little cafes in Arizona and it is so good. It's super sweet, so it's not like heavy coffee. Okay, I'm gonna have breakfast and then I'm gonna work a little bit and I still have one more class to finish. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, but I'm very happy to be home with my dogs. Aspen, come here. She loves kisses on her cheeks, and if you stop, she'll get upset. There's something so special about like getting to come home to your dogs after a long day. And just like unconditional love no matter what. It's 9:40 p.m. After I had like lunch and breakfast, I uploaded my day 5 vlog, and then I went downstairs and I was gonna watch a movie with my family, a Christmas movie, but I fell asleep instantly and I think I slept for like an hour and a half or 2 hours, which I very much needed considering that I had only slept for an hour the night before. Right now, I'm gonna go take a really warm shower and decompress and get all ready for bed. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I realized that these next few days, I'm gonna wanna just be able to like get up and go. And like in Oregon, we have the mask mandate. In Arizona, there's no mask mandate. So I'm used to like getting up and putting on a full face of makeup and stuff, but if I'm gonna be here and I'm gonna have to put a mask on, that definitely lessens my want to do a full face if I'm just gonna be like covered the whole day. So I got these lash trios and I'm gonna show you guys how I do my like at-home lash extensions that I like can sleep in for a few days and like have nice lashes. So then that way when I get up, I can just get up and go. I don't even have to like worry about it. I mean, obviously I'm comfortable going out in my natural face like I did today, but sometimes you just want a little extra pep in your step and that's totally fine. I get the Kiss Falscara stuff, and you can just get it at like Target, Walgreens, whatever, and it comes in a kit that has lashes. But I bought the whole thing for like, I think it was $30, and I've literally used this at least 10 times. So the $30 is definitely worth it, because you go through the first set, but you can buy other lashes and just use this and it'll work the same. So I've definitely done like a handful of lash extensions that have lasted me a really long time with the same stuff as the first one I bought. Okay, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need these, Kiss Falscara. You want the Bond and Seal and the Overnight Serum. Then you're gonna want an eyelash curler. I get mine from Velour. I literally love this eyelash curler. And then I have the Velour, and this is a lash applicator. These are the best. Go buy a lash applicator if you're gonna put on lashes. They're so helpful. Again, use code Alyssa28 for 20% off at checkout. Actually, I think it might be 40% off right now. Use code Alyssa20 at checkout for Velour. I actually promise you guys, like, forget about the fact that I like work with them. Their stuff is actually amazing, and I use their stuff 99% of the time. Like, their lashes are really, really good, and all of their like extra products are really, really good too. I don't think I've tried a single Velour thing that I didn't like, actually. Yeah, I don't think I have. So genuinely, that's a really good brand. So if you want to check out that brand, I highly recommend. And then you're gonna need your lashes. I have the Ardell Lash Trios right now, and they just have medium and short. These ones look a little bit more heavy on the eyes, whereas the Kiss Falscara ones are gonna look a little bit more natural. I've done both, I like both. It's just different vibes, that's all. Oh my God, and I forgot to tell you guys last time, but I got this like wood stool at Target. I think you're supposed to like put a plant on it or something, but I got it as a little chair, so I can like sit down and do stuff like this. So what I'm gonna do is lightly curl my lash. Just very lightly. Like, I don't want an intense curl, I just want a light curl. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the Bond, which is gonna be like a little black mascara looking, and I'm just gonna run that over my lashes. And I'm gonna get as close to the root as I can, because this is the sticky stuff that's gonna stick your natural lashes to the false lashes. And then I'm gonna take my lash applicator and medium sized lash. I like to pull off the glue that's on it from the box, just because it makes it a little bit more comfortable. Now I take it, I'm gonna go on that outer edge, and I'm gonna put it right at the root and then push up. And so then I'm gonna go back into medium again, pull off any excess glue. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, just placing it next to, and then I just work my way in. I'm probably gonna do a few more long, just because I do like mine a little bit longer. And then I'll go in short as soon as I get to the inner corner of my eye. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. It's been a minute since I've done a tutorial, if I'm gonna be honest. You can see that that is what that looks like just right now. And then I'm gonna put the seal on it, which is the other side, and it's kind of like a clear one, and you're just gonna kind of run it. And this is gonna remove anything that's sticky and like seal it to the lash. And then I'm gonna let that dry for a sec. And while I let this eye dry, I'm gonna do my other eye off camera. So I will be right back. So I put the Bond and Seal on both of them. Now what I'm gonna do is pinch them together with this. So I'm very, very lightly going to go around, very lightly. So then you can kind of see the difference. Then you're gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. You're gonna take the Falscara overnight, and this is what's gonna make it so you can like sleep in it, shower in it. I literally swam in mine. I swam, slept, showered in mine, and they lasted for like a good amount of time, like 5 days, I wanna say. And you don't need a lot of this. But yeah, that's what they look like. It also looks amazing when you do like a full face. Like when I do my foundation, like my normal routine, and then my lower mascara, like it looks really good. But it's just so easy to do. Like that literally took me 10 minutes. And then all I have to do now is wake up in the morning and I'm good to go. And I have that little extra like kick in my step. There you go. It's as simple and easy as that. These are definitely more of a like a dramatic look for the false extensions. If you want like a little bit lesser, the actual Foscara lashes that come in that kit are a lot more natural. And then also, if you do like this but the length is too much, you can also just use all of the shorter lengths, which are the ones I have in the inner corners. So like if I do this and then I run out of medium ones in my pack and I have enough to do a short set, I do a short set and it still looks cute. So it really just depends on your eye shape and like how much or how little you want, how dramatic and how not dramatic you want your eyes. So thank you guys so much for watching day 6 of 12 days of Vlogmas, and I'm so excited to get into the Christmas vibes now. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye, beauties.